friends, we're back. It's about 5 days later and it's still cold this morning but not nearly as windy, and today is going to be a beautiful day. Hopefully we can get plenty done. I do have the kids and the dog with me today, but hopefully Dan can get involved and we can get some good progress done. First order is to take one of them, put it over there. So let's begin. Well, that's the structure of the decking all in place now, and I told you it was going to be a good day, great day for working outside. We've got plenty done. Doing the detail work of the steps always takes a little bit longer when you're working with salvaged timber, as we are in this case. And we've still got the handrails and the spindles and the boards to do underneath. Just to give you a quick look underneath at the structure of the steps. Nicely closed in. And importantly, all the same size. I think these ones are 160 millimeters and they're both the same size. These steps up here are 177 and all the same size. Really important, the steps are always the same size so they're not a trip hazard. Very happy with what we got done today. Looking really well. See what's next. We've had some friends over and we've tested the deck and it hasn't collapsed, so happy enough with that. I've done a little bit of strengthening underneath, but I'm now tired of looking at this pile of unused timber, so we'll work this afternoon and see if we can get this handrail put on and the spindles put on and get the job moved on a wee bit. Welcome to part 452 in a 3-part series of fitting this deck. We're back, we've taken a week or two off. Some good sunshine today. We're going to get these boards on along the sides and get the decking closed in nicely. We've got a plumbing job to do underneath here. We'll put these boards right around the front of the caravan and around the side so that it looks nice. Anyway, it's a good day to do some work and we've got some work to do. So let's get started. That's the job done, and it turned out well. Weather's been great. Now we've got some time for some golf, don't we? Go and hit some golf balls. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that video. And if you're going to build a deck around a caravan, just buy new timber. It's too difficult to do it this way, but there you are, done. And ready to play?
Yeah.
Let's go play.